What's going on, everybody? TheBionicScoop here. Last video I did, I touched on a brief issue I had with the touch responsiveness of the S20 FE. In fact, I just said.
So I encountered the same problem I encountered last night on my boy LaShawn's stream, where I had some touchscreen issues, where I lost the ability to touch the screen. Powering it off, powering it back on, fixed it. They didn't believe there's a software issue. I know Tech King Mike had issues with his fingerprint sensor as well, where a power cycle fixed it. So,
well, tonight I got an update for the S20 FE, and it looks like, if you check it out, this quick picture I snapped on the screen here, it looks like it was a firmware issue that they're trying to correct with a software update. So we're going to take a look at it over the next couple days and see if some of that issue has disappeared with that firmware update. I'm really hoping it did, but we're going to find out. So just a quick little hitter, and we'll hopefully update you soon. That's all I got. I mean, like, it's kind of late and kind of need to get to sleep, but y'all take care.